work in 3 groups. The groups are sitting next to each other, so the first group, the second group, and the third group. You have to sell vacuum cleaner, but in different ways. Take in mind the social economic changes of the system. So the task is vacuum cleaner selling, and the third group will sell the vacuum cleaner in a value-oriented way. Your customer have interest on external effects of the purchase as well, so on environment, on society. So somehow we can say via corporate social responsibility. So you focus on the added value of the sale. You will have 1 hour for the task, and you have to make a presentation. So somebody from the group will be the seller, and somebody will be the buyer. Use all the knowledge you have already gained on customer skills and customer service. So build on your knowledge you have already learned. Do you have any questions to the task?
No.
Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
Yes.
The performance have to be maximum 10 minutes. It can be shorter, but do not make more than 10 minutes presentation.
Maybe you could show 2 situations, one bad example or a good example for that situation.
So if you think that the message, what you would like to give, it helps, then you can make 2 situations to use your time.
Okay.
And maybe somebody can be also the navigator, so can along, so it can be like an act that somebody is buyer and seller, but somebody from the back telling some added message to the situation, if you would like. So it's your decision. Use the method of first giving you have already tried so far. So is the task clear?
And now start.
Okay, then let's start the task.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce our new product on the television. So, let me introduce the wonderful, the legendary Solar Cellar Cleaner product. So, it is time to get rid of the old dusty vacuum cleaners. A lot of chemicals, we don't need more than eco-friendly stuff. So, start with an absolutely new product. So, let me ask a little help, normal customer, Zsófi. So, what do you think about our new product?
Wow, it's very wonderful. Why is it so wrong?
Oh, it's a legendary product because it doesn't consume energy. It uses solar cells, so it can create energy from the solar power even in the night. There is a special fusion reactor that creates more energy than it consumes. So you can recharge your phone during the cleaning. Do you like it?
Yes,
Isn't it wonderful?
yes, and what are these?
This is the special stuff you can turn on. This is the button. So it's a substantial product, and it's not just absolutely eco-friendly. Let's say,
Ding, ding, ding. Ladies and gentlemen, our lines are burning and we would like to sell our vacuum cleaner, and if you order it today, we can give it 50% discount today. Please
Yeah.
call us.
So we have only 10 pieces that you can buy with that great discount. So just call us. And let me continue my little
How does
presentation.
it work?
It's a special way of working because it not just clear everything, even if, for example, the red wire from the wall, but it creates humus from the dust and is good for the environment. It doesn't destroy the environment. So would you like to stop the melting of the ice caps? Just use this product. And it's a very important part of this product. It consists of different kind of reused materials, and it is made in China. So we can support the low-income countries. That's why it's good for the environment. Okay.
And after all, this vacuum cleaner can charge the telephone.
So it is now only 1,000 euro, but as I told you, you can get 50% discount. And yeah, how many products we have?
We have only 7 products.
Okay, our lines are burning. Who else would like to buy it? This is the eco-friendly cleaner that with you can save the world.
Okay, one more, please.
Okay.
We have only 3.
Only three. I can't believe it.
The lines are burning. We have only 2.
Yes, and who else? Vivi, would
I
you
would
like?
like to leave the word last.
Okay,
Okay, so
that's all. Thank you. Tomorrow we will meet. Goodbye.
Okay, so feedbacks to the last presentation.
Did you find any added value in this?
Well, yes, absolutely. So you concentrated on the added value. You didn't concentrate it so much to the product, but you all the time say that it saved the environment and you can help the poor people from China. Perhaps you should say that from Africa, but it's not problem. And absolutely, you concentrate on the other things, not just the product, but the added value. So I liked it, and it's good.
It was a really good idea to just so this product is able to charge the phone during using this product. So I really liked it, and I agree with Pishti that you could add a lot of things to beside the product. So it was really good.
Okay, so thank you for the performances. I think you managed to get some deeper understanding of the differences between the product, the customer, and the value-oriented sale. Thank you.
so we give the floor to the first group.
Okay, so our task was to evaluate the first task, the cell vacuum cleaner project. We used the Post Motorola, and what went well, we think it was a great chance for teamwork, and every team worked well together. The task's message was also really good. The different orientations about the products, and this gave floor to different solutions. Each group understood it differently, so there were different performances created. And we think that time management went also really well. We were ready in time, and we can start the presentation in time. What went wrong? We wrote only the one word misunderstanding in here because there were a small misunderstanding about the definitions of product orientation or customer orientation. This was a misunderstanding which led to some criticism about the first group's presentation, but it ended in a great conversation. What we have learned from this task was the different orientation towards the product or the customers in business. We learned that we learned the added value orientation approach. And we learned that different products need a different approach. So we thought that we would put into practice, first of all, the value. So in the future we will try to focus on added value in connection with our products. And this was our Cosmetour.
Thank you. Any questions, addings to that, what you have agreeing? Any other message you take with you? For me, one was that I like that message that what went wrong or this misunderstanding, but you mentioned that it had a good conversation, and it's also like learning from mistakes. So finally, you managed to get the good definition. Okay, thank you.